Here is me at Disneyland, as you can see, with the big poster of Disneyland there. So I got this from Disneyland in one of the many shops, which was absolutely great. And this is what I got at Disneyland, and it is a 3D crystal form of the famous Disneyland castle that is shown in the beginning of every single movie. And I'm sure that most of you will know what this is. So because I was so inspired by getting this memory that I will always cherish and I will remember forever, I want to tell you the real story of why I love these 3D crystals. Because I was so inspired by that, I used my own pocket money and I helped from my dad, and I bought a Christmas tree ornament for my auntie for Boxing Day. It is a very cherishable memory of my cousin's first Christmas when she was young. And here is my auntie opening the presents with my cousin, and there is my cousin opening the presents. So on Boxing Day, I'm going to give this to my auntie and my cousins, and then they can open it, and I cannot wait to see their reactions because I know that they will love it and they will cherish it forever because it is one of the most memorable memories that they will always keep. 3D crystals is one of the best personalised gifts that you can get for your family members or anyone who means something special to you in your life. And I really recommend it because I got this for my auntie and my cousin, and I hope that they will love it and cherish it as much as I do. Whoever the lucky person that you might give one of these to will cherish it and love it forever because you can never lose it, and it is so beautiful, and I love it. All you have to do is just get a picture of whatever loved one you want to give this to, go to 3dcrystal.com, and finally you'll get it in a few days' time after you paid for it, and then that's it. 3dcrystal.com.